Hello dear friends, I hope everyone is fine. My today's topic is fears and failures. Dear friends, people love to do something great and inspired. No people is ready to see failure in any task, even in silly things they wish to success. Expectation is always to find success, but there is a weak point in all. This weakness makes to fail in some point of time. That weakness is fear. It's very rare to find fearless people. Each and everyone has fear in different things we cross. Greatest appreciation is kids are fearless. We could have seen kids walk in dark, catching cockroach and insects, running to touch lizard on the wall, playing fearlessly with their pets. When kids are naughty unlimitedly, it is the elders creates fear in them, complaining to the teachers, seeing ghost holes, not allowing kids to run and climb, reasoning fall down. Actually, those words are failure steps. Only these type of peculiar care and limits creates fear in one's mind. It slowly develops to fear for everything like to speak, to go to get something from a shop, to share ideas, to work in a team. It's all because people are unaware of things happening. We think as we are protecting them. Really, it is not protecting, it is discouraging. For an example, a child or a guy in a stage fear to perform seeing lot of people, that is audience in front of them. It's because of less confidence. Create and shape yourself that your performance is a message to the audience. Once you do, then nothing to worry about to lead success. Minds are fearless. Fear is influenced in us by the environment. Try to throw influence in air. Mold your mind to face each and everything as your last chance. Don't give space for trials. Decide as it is the final act of you. Friends, if we have rights in our action, fear disappears. One who is performing adharmic actions roam with fear. Walking on the road during midnight, it is not courage. Walking alone at any time, also during midnight, is fearless. It is a play and pay of sins. Stop your wrongs. If your action is taken as pretension, come forward with your heart filled with confidence and courage, which boosts you to describe what is your action and why that action is done. Fear rises in subject knowledge, language, and the presentation. A part of it, prepare well something which is your strongest knowledge. Comfort yourself in your language by choosing your mother tongue. Nobody is going to bother on it. If they bother, you don't bother on it. Present hopefully in your known part of thoughts and views and experiences. Broad your shoulder to perform fearless, lift your head to walk forward, motivate yourself. Only you could do for you. This fear takes you to failures. Make an aim to stop fearing. Self-confidence is aware of fear. It's nothing but our dead and wrong doings. Once we come to know how to overcome fear, that's the victory of beating fear in us. Once we stop wrongs, fear runs out of us. Now be ready to defeat fear. Defeating fear is your success. Defeating fear is failure of fear. Just a simple thing to do is to be confident to react for your rights with right actions. So, dear friends, say goodbye to fear in you. I hope the points will have fulfilling. So let me meet you in some other day.